Hello, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Breville Barista Express, and today we are going to do a couple of things. We're going to do a test shot. We're going to test the steam and the hot water. Pretty much what we did is, through wear and tear, your grinders started getting dull, and these are your original burrs. They got dull, and it was not allowing you to get the right grind, which in turn would not allow you to get the right pressure. So we replaced the top burrs, and we're going to do a test shot using our test coffee. It's going to be a double shot. As you can see, put a little bit off. We're going to do a double shot, and we're going to see the pressure for pre-infusion a little bit, and then it's going to jump all the way up to 9. So there's your pre-fusion, and there it goes. Again, we're using the 5th setting, so it could be a little finer, but it is getting into the espresso range. There is your shot. Now we're going to test hot water. As you can see, a steady stream, and we're going to test the steam line. It's going to shoot a little water first, and then it's going to heat up. And everything is working as intended. So thank you for the repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you.